language this is. It's the language of the Philippine Islands called Tagalog. And it says, the women of Waray Waray have muscles like steel and we can fight any battle. But our kisses are as sweet as wine. Waray Waray, tawag sa akon, sa bakbakan, diri maburon, sa sinuman, ay humahamon, kahiti ka. Ay matun, di ka sa ating banalongman, kaming balagit, mapagibigay, guniti bareng, waray, waray. Don't you think that's terribly expressive? What do you think it means? It means give me everything you've got, honey, and I can make you feel like a king. Lika sa ating paranoman, kaming balagid, mapagibigay, gumitibaring waray-waray, walang tindak kaninuman, walang babaring waray-waray, asiga-siga, kahit saan, kabakina ay lumalaban, kabakina man ang haway. Waray-waray siya dyan di katakas, waray-waray hantam ng matodas, waray-waray bahala na bukas, waray-waray manigas, di ka sa ating paranuman, kaming palagit, mapagbigay, gunitibaring waray-waray, walang sindap kaninuman, walang mamaring waray-waray, asiga-siga, kahit saan, kabakina ay lumalaban, kabakina ng haway. Waray-waray sa dyan di katakas, waray-waray hanggang ng matodas, waray-waray bahala na bukas, waray-waray, waray-waray, waray-waray. You fought that battle, I didn't. Manigas!